Welcome to second lesson of Module 2. Today we are talking about leveraging wasted time. In this lesson, we focus on something most people overlook every day. That is so-called wasted time. Wasted time is not long, empty hours. It is made up of small gaps throughout the day. These gaps appear while waiting, commuting, or transitioning from one task to another. Each moment feels insignificant. Together, they can add up to several hours every week. The first step is recognizing where time is underutilized in your schedule. Closely observe a typical workday. Notice how often you arrive early for meetings. Notice time spent waiting for responses or systems to load. Notice downtime between completing one task and starting another. These moments usually go unnoticed. They are rarely planned for. As a result, they are often lost to distraction. Once you identify these pockets of time, the next step is using them intentionally. This does not mean working constantly. It does not mean removing rest. It means making conscious choices about how you use short periods of time. During waiting periods, simple tasks work best. You can review key notes. You can skim a document. You can tidy your task list. You can mentally prepare for the next meeting. Commuting time offers a powerful opportunity for growth. You can listen to podcasts related to your role. You can use audiobooks for personal development. You can replay training materials. This turns passive time into learning time without extra effort. Transitions are another hidden productivity window. Transitions occur when one activity ends and another begins. Instead of immediately switching on autopilot, pause briefly. Ask yourself what matters next. Clarify your focus before starting the next task. This approach leads into micro-productivity. Micro-productivity is about using 2 to 5 minute windows effectively. These actions are small but meaningful. They push work forward without creating stress. Examples include sending a quick follow-up message, updating progress notes, organizing digital files, drafting a brief outline or checklist. To make micro-productivity easy, prepare ahead of time. Keep a ready list of small tasks. Save useful content on your phone or device. Organize notes so they can be reviewed quickly. Most importantly, be flexible and kind to yourself. Not every spare moment needs to be productive. Rest and reflection also have value. The goal is awareness and choice, not constant activity. To summarize, recognize underutilized time in your day. Use waiting periods and commutes wisely. Apply micro-productivity during transitions. When approached intentionally, wasted time stops being wasted. It becomes a quiet but powerful advantage in your daily productivity system. In the next lesson we will discuss about establishing effective boundaries around your availability. Stay connected with us and see you in the next video. Thank you.